Hello everyone, this is a power supply setup where I convert 220 watt AC current into DC current. I can adjust this current using this buck converter. When I rotate this screw, the voltage is increasing. As you can see, the speed of wheel is not too fast, so let's increase this by rotating this. As you can see, the speed is increasing. Thanks for watching.